what is it? The mouse jigglers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 comments on that. Most of me thinks get a life if you're a manager watching somebody that close.
Yeah, that kind of sucks.
That's what I think. Get a life.
Yeah.
Hire somebody better than that.
Hire somebody you can trust.
I mean, if you're going out and you're buying a mouse mover to make sure that people see your activity, you're a liar.
Yeah.
Called out, boom, right there. You're a liar. That ticks me off. Here's why it ticks me off. Here's why. As a manager, like, have some trust in your people.
Mm-hmm.
Why, as a manager, have you created a culture where people feel a need to lie in front you?
Yeah, exactly that. Where it's the managers.
Yeah.
They're the problem. They're the freaking problem. They're the reason why your employees feel like they need to go out and buy that thing.
It's bidirectional.
It's bidirectional.
You as an employee,
yeah.
if that's your expectation and that's what you work in as an employee, do it legitimately. Be legit. Have some integrity.
Yeah.
If you don't like working in that environment, find a new environment. Leave. If you're a manager and you're managing that way, ask yourself a question about your life.
Yeah.
Do you really want to spend your life trying to figure out whether somebody's actually doing the thing that they are supposed to be paid to do?
Let me clarify.
Hire a better person.
You're a waste of space if that's the kind of manager you are.
What are you doing?
You're not doing anything.
What contribution are you can train a
Just
child
sitting there.
to look at a thing and see if something has moved incrementally. And you don't think there's some sort of deep fake that can happen to make that something that totally pulls the wool over your eyes?
You could train a chimpanzee to do that, honestly.
You can. You're not being a leader.
Yeah.
Be a leader. So this gets my dander up because there's 2 sides of this. One is the managerial side where I want you to be a leader, not a manager. Like, I'm throwing down a challenge. Be a leader, not a manager. Lead your team, inspire your team to do something better.